Your head weighs as much as a bowling ball. Hey guys, it's Dr. Rob with your 2-minute tip this week. So why am I telling you this fun fact? It recently came up in a fitness meeting that we were talking about posture and somebody who had chronic headaches and how we need to sort of strengthen a couple of things for her. What we really ended up talking about is the importance of posture and how it affects our overall system, but how it creates those headaches and neck pain that people often get. And one of the biggest things we actually need to correct is what they're doing with their head when they're at their computer, when they're driving, stuff like that. So if we know that your head weighs 10 pounds, and if I happen to have this trusted 10-pound weight, I'm gonna make you hold this 10-pound weight all day, every day. Where are you gonna hold it? You're gonna hold it close to your body, or you're gonna hold it way over here. Very quickly, if you hold it out here, it gets a lot heavier, it starts to shake. I can't do this much longer, right? It's way heavier out here, even though it's the same thing. So I need to hold it close to your head. The same thing goes true with your head. So if I go sideways like this, if I'm like this, or I'm typing away, or I'm driving away, my head is forward. All of a sudden my neck muscles, especially the tiny little ones in the back of your neck, size of your pinky, not very big, not very strong, but they're designed to keep your head on. Those ones are working extra hard for this 10-pound bowling ball, which every time goes further, it gets a lot heavier and a lot heavier and a lot heavier. So these muscles are doing way more work than they're designed to, all right? And when muscles get overworked, they tighten up, and those tight muscles are gonna create headache, they're gonna create neck pain, shoulder pain, all that kind of stuff. So the secret to getting rid of this is being able to bring the head back. One of the things we do is I train what's called a red light exercise, where what you're going to try and do is get your head back against the headrest in your car, and you're just going to try and push it back. And you're going to kind of give yourself a bit of a double chin. You're going to get it back that way and train it going backwards, okay? In terms of posture sitting at your desk, people kind of go, okay, I want to straighten up all that kind of. Simplest way to get your head back over your center of gravity is to actually, you can't really see, but to arch your low back, okay? As soon as if you kind of do it, if I slouch, my head comes forward. If I arch my low back, my head comes in line with my center of gravity. It's gonna take all the pressure and strain off my neck, and it's gonna help get rid of those headaches, okay? Try this at work. Make sure you're not living with headaches, because that's something we deal with every single day, and that we're really, really good at treating, because nobody should have to deal with headaches on a regular basis. Have a great week.